The human eyes are the second most complex organ after the brain. The eye is composed of 2 million working parts. Sight is one of the most important senses in which we use to interact with the world. The white part of the eye is known as the sclera. It protects the eye and is an attachment point for muscles, therefore enabling the movement of the eyeball when looking at your surroundings. The cornea is the outermost part of the eye, providing protection. It is also the place where light enters the eye. A thin layer of epithelial cells cover the front part of the sclera and the inside of the eyelid, which is known as the conjunctiva, protecting the eye from dust and debris. The eye lens is a transparent jelly-like substance made up of proteins. It is held in position by ciliary muscles and suspensory ligaments. They adjust and work together so we can see distant and nearby objects clearly. This is known as accommodation. The eye can be divided into 3 chambers: the anterior, the posterior, and the vitreous chamber. Both the anterior and the posterior chambers are filled with aqueous humor. The aqueous humor is made up of 99% water, and the 0.1% is of sugars, vitamins, proteins, and other nutrients. It nourishes the cornea and the lens. It also prevents the eye from collapsing due to the changes in atmospheric pressure. The vitreous chamber helps maintain the shape of the eye. The iris is the colored part of the eye, which can vary from person to person due to iris pigmentation. The most common eye color in the world are as follows, with brown eyes at 55%, 5.8% with hazel eyes, blue eyes at 8%, green eyes at 2%, and amber eyes at 5%. The iris has the ability to contract and expand, and when doing so makes the hole in the eye bigger and smaller. The hole in the eye is known as the pupil. The pupil can change its shape depending on the intensity of light entering the eye. The retina is a collection of specialized cells called rods and cones, which is found at the back of the eye. These cells contain pigments, which are photochemicals that detect photons of light. An inverted real image of an object is formed in the retina. Electrical signals generated by the cells are sent to the brain, which processes and flips the image the right way around. The choroid is the vascular portion of the eye that provides the eye with various nutrients and oxygen. The blind spot is a small region in the retina where the optic nerve enters the eye. There are no photoreceptors present in the blind spot, therefore it is insensitive to light. The electrical signal sent from the retina travels to the brain via the optic nerve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.